Okay, what's up YouTube? Today I'll be teaching you how to make a command um, kind of shortcut thing. It's a program in Visual Basics, and it'll basically be a shortcut to getting onto any like whatever site you set it to. I haven't seen any of them around, so that's why I'm showing it right now. The only kind that I've ever seen are ones to open up programs that are already on your computer. So I just thought I'd show you this. It's really fast. So the first thing you want to go do is open up Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition. It's on the Microsoft site, so it's totally free, so you don't need to worry about anything. But yeah, the first thing you're going to want to do is click on New Project. Just leave it at Windows Forms application, and then change the name to whatever you want to name it. For demonstration purposes, I'll just put YouTube. YouTube command tut. And then it should bring you up to this screen. If you don't have the toolbox right here, so like let's just say it looks like that or something, just go to View and then Toolbox, and this will pop up. And if it looks like this or something, then just click on All Windows Forums, the plus, and it'll bring it all down, because this has basically everything in it. So I mean, you won't need to go to a billion different things. But the first thing you want to do is click on your forum and change the name. Like, just click it once though, so you don't do anything. But just change the name of it to whatever you want to call it. So I'll just put what I have for my title, YouTube command tut, and then click on it again. That'll pop up. And say like when you make other programs though, your title's really long and it looks like that, then just extend out your program so you can see the full name of it. And so next what you're going to want to do then is click on button twice, so then a button appears, and then hit backspace and name it whatever site it's going to be going to. Like for this, I'll just put YouTube, since this will go to the YouTube site, obviously. Then you're going to click on the button again, double click it, then this will pop up. Don't worry about what it says, because this is just a beginner video. Later on when you go into advanced, you're going to need to know like a bunch of different codes on how to make make something work on it, but for now just forget about it. The first thing you want to type in is Process.Start, and then opening parentheses, opening quotes, and then you're going to want to type in the full email, URL. So you're going to type in http://www.youtube.com and close quotes, close parentheses. And basically what you're telling the program to do is when you click on the button, it's gonna go onto your default web browser, so whichever one you have set as your default one. I have Internet Explorer set as mine. It'll tell it to go onto youtube.com. That's basically what it's telling it. So, it's basically like a shortcut, but, I don't know. I think it's kind of a cool little thing you can do. And then if you want, if you don't really feel like having, like pressing the X or something, just add like another button right here. Call it exit. Then just double click it twice. Just type in close. That's all you have to type right there. And it'll tell the program to close itself. And then you press like this little play button right here. It looks like a play button. You can start debugging it. Here's what your program will look like when you publish it. Click on YouTube. It'll take you straight to youtube.com. And then press exit. Closes out of the program. And if you were interested in, like say you don't want to have a maximize button or something, because you don't want people to be able to maximize it, then you can just go to maximize box, hit false for it, And the same you could do for minimize. Um, put false. And then all that'll be there is just the X button. But also, if you want to see something, put these back to true. See, when you put this on though, like, see, look, when I start debugging it again, and I maximize it, the stuff is still going to stay there. It's not going to move at all. So, to fix that, you're going to want to, like, click on the button. Well, see, like, this YouTube one, it won't be affected at all, but this exit one will. So what you're going to want to do is click on the exit button, and then right here it says anchor, and it'll say top left. Don't put top left. Get rid of that and just put bottom right. And then click on it again, start debugging, maximize, your button's in the bottom right again. That's basically how, if you have it maximized, you can fix that, because a lot of people are wondering how to do that too. And there you go. That's basically your program. Then just start building it, publishing it, do whatever you want. And yeah, thanks a lot, YouTube. And I'll be making a lot more videos soon of tutorials on how to do things. So just keep watching. Later.